Hi guys, this is CandiGlam. Welcome to my channel. If you can't tell by the title below, it's on this beautiful wig you're getting ready to see. This is the box. It's the company Luvme Hair. And of course inside the box is the little instructions on how to take care of the wig, a little bit about the company. You'll see that they sent me 2 wig caps. And then inside of a little satchel, they'll have tweezers and like a edge control brush. That little scarf I'm going to show you in just a second. It's like a little silk scarf. I would use it to lay down my edges. At least that's what I would use it for. It did come with bobby pins and a cute little hair clip that has Luvme on it, which is the name of the company, and an elastic band. So yeah, I just thought that was super cute for them to send that bag and have all those little knickknacks inside. Hopefully that's what you guys get too when you order this hair. Now this hair, you guys, this unit is absolutely beautiful. Here it comes. It's right here in this little bag here, but it's absolutely beautiful. The texture of the hair is gorgeous. It's like a wavy, wet, wavy hair, and it's even more pretty when you wet it. Absolutely gorgeous. Now, the name of this wig is the Ombre Brown Color Deep Wave Compact Frontal Lace Wig. I know that's a very long name. And when I looked earlier, the price of this wig was $219.90. And I think it is on sale. So check that out. It might have changed. It does come with 2 or maybe 3 combs in the front and 1 comb in the back. An extra elastic band. And then at the bottom, you'll still see those drawstrings you see right there. The lace is very soft. I like the parting, but you'll see later I'm going to fix it. You'll also see that there's some little scraggly hairs, but I'll fix that in a minute. But this wig was kind of small on your girl's head, okay? But I made it work. I had to glue that sucker down. But yeah, you'll see. Look at the ends. I'll cut those off later on because I can't. So yeah, these are the tools I use, so stay tuned. I just wanted to show you guys how well the hair curls. I absolutely love this look as well. I kind of wanted to do my whole head this way. I mean, the curls, that curl right there is just gorgeous. You can't tell me it ain't. That would look so fire if I did it all over. But I just want to show you now how well the hair reverts back and gets its pretty curl back. And look at that little baby hair right there that I did not finish doing, but bear with me, honey. I fixed it. But yeah. Alright, so this is basically the end result. I absolutely love this unit. It is so beautiful. The hair is so soft. I love that you can do whatever you want to it. You can wear it up, you can wear it down, you can wet it, you can straighten it, and it just bounces right back. Again, this company is Luvme Hair. I absolutely love this hair. I have not ran into tangles yet, so that's always a plus. Again, if you have any questions or want to know more information, it will be in the description box down below. Please don't forget to subscribe, people. I'm here. I'm bringing you the goods. Keep on keeping on, okay? But yeah, thanks for supporting me. And definitely go hit up Luvme Hair. I guess you can tell I'm feeling it. But this is your girl, CandiGlam. And bye. Bye-bye.